At the beginning of July 2023, many thousands earthquakes occurred in a short period of time on the Reykjanes Peninsula. These earthquakes became the harbingers of the eruption of the Litli Hrutur volcano, third eruption in 3 years in this area. It was a safe eruption in the mountains far from civilization and did not threaten people or infrastructure. The Litli Hrutur volcano erupted on July 10, 2023. At the time of its start, this eruption was significantly stronger than the previous two. Not many people saw this volcano on the first day. I was lucky, and I was one of the few people who managed to see the birth of this majestic and terrifying miracle of nature. This is definitely something that I will remember for the rest of my life. At the moments of its inception, this volcano looked like a huge crack in the ground from which hot lava poured out under high pressure. Hot liquid rock erupted from the ground like a fountain in many places. A few days later, it already had the shape of an ordinary volcano. This is an unforgettable experience, standing near an active volcano, feeling its strength, warmth, and every moment, hearing the earth cracking around you. The feeling when you see a volcano for the first time is simply indescribable. You feel like you are touching the secret of the birth of the planet. On one of my 5 treks to this volcano, I was lucky enough to catch a particularly epic sunrise. When the warm rays of the sun illuminated the smoke around the volcano, creating a special magic. I still can't believe I took this video. From the first moments of the eruption, hot lava formed a river that began to flow throughout the valley. From a bird's eye view, this river looks absolutely surrealistic. This river began to quickly and confidently change the landscape of the valley. Within a few days, it flooded the places where people watched the volcano on the first day. Before my afterword, I want you to enjoy this miracle of nature without words for a few minutes. Iceland has many beautiful lava fields covered with green moss. And when you look at fresh lava that has just solidified, it's like you're plunging back for thousands of years. At a time when the green lava fields were just as lifeless. Contemplation of an erupting volcano inspires great awe of nature and makes you rethink many things in life.